Okay guys, so I'm sorry, I just get my real knife. The one I use it is kind of a bit boring in the corner. So once the rivet is kind of flush, okay, that's clear. So let me explain to you about this one. So this is the gas tank, so you can't welding here, and the way the manufacturer they did it, they rivet it. And look at inside of the compartment, I can't access the screw. It seems like this is a special rivet. So I just get some idea what the best the best thing I can do about it to make it like a temporary hinges. And I do have this a rivet thing standy, and I have this rivet. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. And then so like I said, I just removed this one yesterday. The you should put this one like this. Still tight. A little bit bigger though. Has to make sure it's back, go all the way through. Okay, I'm through now. Alright. We'll go ahead and put one more. Get this bigger one. So making sure it's kind of tie in. Okay. You gotta go the other side there. I think the best is on the other side to make it clear. Because if I put it that side, it's gonna be ugly. And I'm gonna put it in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and one in. So two in. Okay, so now I already got two hinges is in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make a hole on this side, making sure it's lined up. Pretty lined up. All I need is eyeball it. So this is the old hinges, so let me kind of mark it. So this is the hole, and I make sure it's line them up with the hole. Now I'm gonna make a drill again. Oh. Okay. Check that one. We're way up. This is the line old one. Okay, I'm gonna go get Okay, so now I make a hole already. It's lined up, and okay, and this is the big issue. How you gonna put a a little bit bigger? I'm having difficulty to put it this thing. There you go. I'm gonna grab my punch hole again. Like Rivet. Oh, it's not really tacked in, huh? It's loose. Huh. So what happened? You have to kind of notch it. Really? Look like it's gonna come up. I have to probably screw. Maybe we should put a bolt in.